we have a special guest, and the guest is Nora, and the second guest is Abigail. All right, so Nora, how are you doing today?
Good.
Good. And Abigail, how are you doing today? High five.
And now we're going to do the bubble bouncing.
Now we're gonna do the dancing bubble today, right, Abigail?
The dancing bubble dancing
Okay, look at
bubble.
that. So what are the bubbles gonna do, Nora?
Dance and pop.
It's gonna bounce, right? Bounce, 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 bounce,
It's
bounce.
gonna dance and
Yes.
it's going to say bounce, bounce, bounce.
All right, so I have a solution. I'm gonna show you how I made the solution.
And it's bubbles.
But first, let's see how it works, right, guys? All right, so I have just a solution that I made, and I have these regular bubble thing. And then what we're gonna do is,
Yeah.
ready? Ready, Nora?
Yes.
Come this way. Come this way.
Me.
Yes, good job.
Alright.
Hey, Nora. Yes, good job. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we have scientist Nora, and Nora's gonna do a science project today.
Wow.
And Abigail also, we have an assistant Abigail here. So Nora, what is the project that we're doing today?
Dancing bubbles.
Oh, it's a bouncing bubbles, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see what we have here. Scientist Nora, so what are the ingredients that we're gonna use today?
Water, soap, water, soap, and sugar.
Okay, so we have water, we have soap, and we have sugar. What are we gonna do first?
We're gonna pour the water in here.
Okay, so how much water? One-fourth cup of water. Perfect. Nora's gonna fill that up with water. Wait. Dad's gonna help you. Perfect. All right, so we have a 1/4 cup of water in there. What we're gonna do next?
Sugar.
Okay, so we fill that up. I'll help you, Nora. So we'll fill that up with 2 cups. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just put a little bit more. Like that will make two. All right, so now what are you gonna do, Nora?
Stir it.
Stir. So in 1/4 cup of water, we put 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now scientist Nora is stirring it until all the sugar gets dissolved, right, Nora? All right. So what's the next step, Nora?
The soap is dissolved. Now you're putting it in one soap in it.
Okay. So the Nora is saying that sugar is dissolved. So now she's gonna put 1 full tablespoon of
Soap.
soap. It's a dish soap, right, Nora? Oh, that looks nice. Hi, Abigail. All right. That looks good.
Fill it up.
Oh, nice. All right, so now we are gonna put all the soap. Take this thing out. Here, let's see if we can get it. I'm Nora. Yeah, now Nora can stir it nicely, the soap and the salt.
Blue.
Yeah, it's blue, right?
How much do I show?
Yeah, it looks good. That should be good, Nora. All right.
Add a little bit more soap.
All right, I think the magical solution is ready now. And now the only thing that we do is we need to test it out. Right, Nora?
Yeah.
Can you see if you can make a bubble first? Good job. Woohoo! All right, so now what are you going to do, Nora?
Open.
Scientist Nora, we're going to test the amazing solution that you just made.
Here.
Throw it off the top.
Daddy, can you do it?
Right here. See? Wow, Nora. Oh, it's bouncing. Let's try it again. See? It's bouncing. Nora, this is so cool.
Can I use that one?
Yeah.
Where's the other one now?
Yes, good job, Nora. See? That's a bouncing bubble. Nice. Can you pass it to Daddy? Uh-oh. Here. Yeah. Good job, Nora. And this is the bouncing bubble. And Nora is holding and playing with the bubble. Nora, scientist. That's really cool. Yay! Good job, Nora. Wow, look at the bubble. Wow, that looks so cool, Nora. This actually works. Now we have new scientists in the house, Abigail. And she is doing her science project, the dancing bubble. She's putting some water. And Abby, you can use this one too. And she's making a special potion. And the special potion, oh, that's too much. Yes, she's having fun. That's good job, babe. Ooh, look at all the bubbles, right? Yeah, so she's having fun. Yeah, guys, so yeah, this is a small project that you can do with your kids, and they will have fun, and they can run with the imaginations. Obviously they can make a lot of mess, which is fine, because this is a project that we do. Make sure you have enough towels, you know, while you're performing, because Abby's just 2 years old and she just loves to make mess and have fun. So yeah, she's just exploring and honing her creativity. Alright guys, so this was our short project with the kids, and kids loved it. You can do it with your kids at home. It does not take that much, you know, there's nothing special ingredients that you need to do this project. You can do with it and the kids. You can see Abigail is still enjoying doing it. You can do with your kids, have fun, and while doing the project, they can also learn new things. It will also help their imaginations, as well as, you know, be creative. So yeah, it's a fun project. So if you like this kind of video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon, so that whenever we subscribe or whenever we upload a new video, you guys get notified. Yeah, just don't forget to have a lot of towels while doing it with the kids. So all right, until next video, see you soon. Bye.